Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I kind of want to do something a little bit different because I wanted to do like my beauty wish list. I have quite a few things on my beauty wish list right now. Things that, range from tools to like makeup products to skincare and all kinds of stuff. So I kind of wanted to go over that and see if you guys have tried any of these, and if you have, let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on any of these items. But let's go ahead and get started. So these aren't in any particular order. These are just things that are on my list. I've been like making a list and just adding things to it every time I see like a new product come out. And so the first two things on my list are both from Playa Beauty Hair Care, which is the hair care line like shampoo and conditioner that I use that works really well for my hair type. They just came out with two new products called the California Sea Salt Scrub and the Healing Hair Mask. I've been really wanting to get these, but the salt scrub and the hair mask have both been like selling out super quick every time they restock it, either on their website or Sephora's website, which I want to get it at Sephora because I have some gift cards, so I'd be able to use that. But they keep selling out. And the sea salt shampoo looks really cool because it helps like to detoxify your scalp. So when you scrub it around, like the salt gets in there and like cleans it all, It's also supposed to help balance any oil production, and it also helps to treat scalp dryness and like, fix your scalp. So it's like a weekly thing that you can do. You can use this and then you use like the conditioner afterwards. So this would like replace your shampoo for that day. But it just looks really cool. I've been really wanting to go to one of those like scalp treatment places. Obviously I can't right now, but maybe one day I would love to, where it's basically like you go in and they like look at your scalp with a microscope and see what's going on, and then they address any issues that you may have, and then you get like a full-on scalp detox and massage and all that. I really want to do that. Like it looks like so much fun, but I feel like this would be a good way to do that at home, once a week or every couple weeks, to just give yourself like a good scalp detox, and then use the healing hair mask once a week or every other week or something like that. The healing hair mask looks really cool too because it helps to revive like your really dry hair, and it also helps to prevent hair loss, which is really cool. So I shed a lot. I don't know why. I mean, obviously because my hair is pretty dry, but I do shed a lot, so I think it would be really cool to try out these two products. So they're definitely on my wish list. The next thing on my beauty wish list is the new beauty blender. That's like the changing color one, where it goes from like, if you use cold water it's like a lavender color, then if you use hot water on it, it turns like aqua blue. I just thought that would be so fun. I recently tossed one of my old beauty blenders just because it's like time to replace it, and I haven't gotten one yet because I'm waiting to do like a Sephora order once the other things I want come back in stock so I can use my gift cards. And this is at Sephora, so I will definitely be ordering that once those other things come back in stock. But this looks like such a fun beauty blender, and I don't know how they do it where it like changes colors. Like that's so cool. Definitely want one of those. The next thing that's on my beauty wish list is the brand new Rowan Beauty palette called the 1111 eyeshadow palette. And this looks so beautiful. As you can see from the photos, it's like a rosy toned eyeshadow palette, and I saw them post about this months ago, like way into last year. They were doing like a photo shoot with Rosie Huntington Whiteley. One of the shades is actually like named after her because the creator of Rowan Beauty, she works with Rosie a lot, so she named like an eyeshadow after her. But these look so beautiful. As you know, I love the Rowan Disco shadows that I have, and I've been wanting to get an eye palette. I really want to get the 52 Degrees Cool palette also. That's also on my list. But I really want this like rosy toned one. I think it'd be really pretty for spring. And they're all like that super sparkly illuminating shadow. So I really want that, definitely on my list. Next thing that is on my beauty wish list is a new Gua Soft Stone. As you may know, I have the Georgia Louise Skincare Butterfly Rose Quartz Stone, but it like fell off my counter and shattered. So I only have half of it now, but some of it is a little bit broken on the edges, so I can't really use it as I like to. I do still use it, but it's not as nice and smooth as I want it to be. So I've been looking into getting a new Gua Soft Stone, and I have three options that I really want, but I'm not sure which one to get. So if you guys have any of these or heard of any of these, let me know which one you like best. I have the Lanshin Gua Soft Stone, the pro version on there, and it's really cool. It's like curvy on both sides for your cheeks. There's like a little comb edge to use for like any wrinkles, and there's like the jaw spot too. So I really want that one, but it is rather expensive. but it looks really nice and it's like professional grade and it just looks really cool. There's also one that's by Wildling Beauty, and that one looks really cool. It's like sort of just like a really wide one with a comb edge and then like the jaw portion. And then there's also one that's shaped similar to the Lanshin one by Libations, and it's just made of clear quartz, which is a little bit less expensive than the other two, but I just don't know like which one is best to get. I've been like having trouble deciding, but I feel like I really want to go with the Lanshin one just because she is like very knowledgeable in Gua Saw, so I feel like hers is made specifically for that. If you guys have tried any of those, let me know down below, or what your favorite Gua Saw tool is, because I just am having a hard time figuring it out. The next few things on my beauty wish list are all from FitGlow Beauty, and the first one is the Softness eyeshadow palette. I was wanting to get that, but they sold out of that so quickly. It's like a really beautiful eyeshadow palette with a cheek color as well, but they're all really like soft spring colors. There's like some lavenders and light pinks and grays, but it looks really pretty. I really want to get that one. There's also the new FitGlow Cloud Collagen Oil, which looks really cool. It's made with cloudberry oil, green tea extract, and carrot seed oil, and lupin seed and apple extract. It's supposed to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's supposed to help hydrate your skin and making it more vibrant and plump and all kinds of stuff. Lately I've been feeling like my skin's been really dry, and I just want to see like what I could use to help to nourish my skin a little bit more. So this has been on my wish list, as well as some of their lip color serums. I really want to get the shade Go, which looks really pretty, like a really nice light pink. And then the new one, Regal, looks kind of cool. It's sort of like lavendery, and I kind of like the way like a lavender lip looks because it kind of reminds me of like, you know, like a grape popsicle stain or something like that. And I always like that. But those are definitely on my wish list. The next few things that are on my beauty wish list are all from Aether Beauty. I've never tried Aether Beauty before. I've been seeing a lot about them recently, and I noticed on Sephora that they have a product called the Crushed Diamond highlighter, which looks really beautiful, and I really want to try that one out. There's literally like crushed pieces of diamond in it, which is so awesome. Aether Beauty is clean and cruelty-free, and they're all recyclable, and I think that's really awesome. So like none of their products come with mirrors or anything. Like it's literally like as soon as you're done with it, you can put it in recycling, and I think that's really cool. But yeah, that Crushed Diamond highlighter, I really want to get it because obviously I love all things sparkly and diamonds, and I would love to try that. So definitely on my wish list, as well as their eyeshadow palettes. They have a Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette and a Amethyst eyeshadow palette that are actually made with those gemstones, and I think that's really cool. Those are both very like cool toned eyeshadow palettes, and I really have been interested in cool toned products lately because I feel like everything that we see now is just all warm toned everything. So seeing these like cool toned eyeshadow palettes look really awesome, and I've been wanting to try those. Those are definitely on my beauty wish list because I don't really have a ton of eyeshadows for personal use, so those two palettes look really cool. Like there's a lot of really nice shades, and I did see on their Instagram that they are coming out with another new eyeshadow palette, which is like the Joshua Tree palette. It looks like it has a ton of really bright pigmented colors like blues and yellows and oranges and all kinds of stuff like that. So those are all definitely on my wish list, and I definitely want to try those out. The next thing that is on my beauty wish list is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. And I know I said I'm not going to try a mascara for a while, which is why this is on my wish list and I'm not purchasing it anytime soon. But I really want to try that one out. It looks really cool. It's made with hemp oil, and it's supposed to be really good at making your lashes like really long and luxurious. So definitely once I get my whole eyelash situation figured out, I will want to try that. But I'm still waiting for like this side to grow in properly. Like it's just taking a while, and it's just having gone through like the situations of like my eyelashes coming out from those other mascaras. I'm like worried to try new mascaras, but like I just want them to grow back to normal. So anyways, that's on my wish list, and hopefully I can try it one day and not have issues with it, but I've only heard good things about it, so I'm hoping that that will be the case. Okay, and then my final thing on my beauty wish list right now is the entire skincare line from Aislin Quinn. My friend Jen from Aloha Jen's beauty blog has told me so much about this line, and I've been wanting to try it for so long now. Like they have some really amazing looking skincare, like things with strawberry seed oil, which is supposed to be really amazing for your skin, and they're coming out with a new like skincare item with blueberry seed oil, which is supposed to be really amazing for your skin as well. And they just have a lot of really cool like serums and moisturizers and balms and cleansers, and everything has like a beautiful tropical name like Isola or Rainy or Kalahari and like all these really cool names. And so I've definitely been wanting to try that, and I've just heard so many good things about it, and that's for sure on my beauty wish list. Like I really, really want to try that because I feel like my skin would really love it. So yeah, all of those things are on my beauty wish list, and so far that's it. However, I have been seeing that RMS is sneaking little peeks at new things that they're planning on coming out with. Like it looked like there might be a new lip to cheek shade, and it looked like, I don't know, like really like peachy and beautiful. So if something new like that comes out with RMS, that will definitely be going on my wish list. But yeah, so far that is it for my beauty wish list. What is on your guys' beauty wish list? And have you tried any of these products? Are any of these products in your wish list? Let me know down below. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of my videos. I hope that you guys are doing really well, and let me know down in the comments below too how you guys are doing in your quarantine. Talk to me. I'm here to talk to you. So that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!